Works really started in 2010 officially, but the genesis of this creation came with Steve really always having a desire and a passion to create, and specifically having a passion for motorized wheeled vehicles.
Over the years, we've struggled with getting any signal at all inside of buildings, and it's caused lots of problems as far as business, because we like to be mobile and we want to have people be able to receive phone calls wherever they are, and that hasn't happened very well.
All of our employees have cell phones. We don't have a landline. And immediately we found that we could not operate it as a business inside the building, because the building pretty much drowned out any coverage. We didn't get any coverage, and we were all standing outside in the parking lot having phone conversations.
One of the things we tried was switching over to Wi-Fi calling, where everybody who could set their cell phones to Wi-Fi calling, which worked decently well for some carriers, and other carriers didn't work at all. We started looking at whole building systems, and they ran everything from what we could tell were pieces of junk all the way up to extremely capable but extremely expensive systems. The relationship with Powerful Signal has been great from the very get-go. They were very open, talking to me about what my problems were and the challenges and how I could face them. They had a number of different options. Now that we have this system in place, it works. You can walk through the building, you get great coverage throughout. Drop calls are a thing of the past, and it works across all the carriers. So we don't have issues with just one carrier working well and other ones not. So it's allowed us to implement a bring your own device to truly implement it, where everybody just brings in what they want, whether it's Android or Apple, and whatever carrier they want, and it just works. So it's been really good.
After Powerful Signal came in, worked the facility over, it was a return to normal. We had full signal, full coverage. It was great experience. So looking forward to the same type of advantage at our new facility. So the building itself enables us to expand our facility in stages.
Eventually it'll be over 1 million square feet of manufacturing, warehouse, and office space.
This new facility will accommodate, as we expand the facility, over 15,000 units a year as the market demands. So it's put us in a position to look to the future, and the future's bright for Vanderhall in our estimation.